Hey guys, so I'm back with another video. I am going to do another maternity haul. I hope you're not sick of these, but like I am on buy clothing for my hot girl pregnant summer. Just kidding. Maybe I'll call that this video though. But some upcoming vacations I have this summer, but I am very pregnant. I'm about to be 7 months pregnant soon, so I'm really buying these for vacation because I always love to, like, you know, especially when I go to the beach, like get me a new little like couple pieces. So everything today is from SheIn. So I just did, this is my last maternity haul. I did one from Amazon, Walmart. I'll link that video below. I also did one for Boohoo because I've been wanting to try their clothing maternity line. And now this is SheIn. Everything's affordable. Everything is like my complete honest opinion. I bought it myself. So I'm just going to jump right into it. We're going to try these things on. I'll let you guys know what I really think about it. And that's it. So I purchased this on May 8th today, and I got in the mail today. It's May 20th. So it was free shipping. It took about 12 days, which makes sense. And I spent $151 including tax and shipping insurance. But there is free returns, which I like. I did in my Boohoo haul, and I actually returned like 4 pieces, like half of the haul, and I had to pay a $4 return shipping fee, which isn't horrible, but sometimes some of these sites can get you, so I make sure that the return policy is decent. Just as a reminder, I am almost 7 months pregnant. I was a pre-pregnancy size medium, or like 8-ish, and I wear maternity size medium / large, depending on, more medium on top, large on the bottom, stretchy, medium. So most of these items are going to be beach wear, summer wear. So let's go ahead and show you what I got. Okay, so the first thing right here, this is a nice little basic. I got this as something that I could just wear like under things. This is like a tube dress. Doesn't really look like anything special, to be honest, besides the fact that it has a little bit, I guess, of ruching on the sides. Not really, actually. A little bit. Like, so a lot of pregnancy clothing has that extra ruching, so that way your belly can kind of poke out. It looks kind of short. I got this in a size large. It was only $9, and it wasn't even on sale. That's like the regular price. But I got this to wear like as like a kind of like essential piece under kimono. The next piece, which I think is darling, is this white kind of like lacy eyelet dress. Got in a size large. It was $24, a little bit pricier. But I thought this would be such a cute summer dress, potentially a bridal shower dress. So we'll see. I erred on the side of large versus medium because some of these sites like can tend to run small. So we'll see how it fits, and I'm getting pretty pregnant, so I know I'm only gonna get bigger. Okay, this looks huge. Do you see how wide this is? Yeah, this looks huge. We'll see, but I do like the detail, like the little eyelet detail of the little puff sleeves. I like things with sleeves because I'm self-conscious about my arms. Even before pregnancy, I have larger arms. But this is a darling little summer dress. It's short, it's frilly. So we'll see how that fits. That might be a little bit on the big side. Okay, so this is that white dress. This also kind of hangs like a bag, too big. I guess I just prefer like things to fit closer to my body. This just looks like a big old bag. Probably be way cuter smaller. So, okay, so this one I thought was really cute. I thought it would make a great like throw over bikini kind of outfit. I got it in size extra large because it looks like a teeny tiny stripe. It's a maternity rainbow stripe bodycon dress and looks teeny tiny. It was only $7. But I kind of wanted something really fun and vibrant. And it's kind of like, you know, it's got a very fun summer vibe. Okay, this looks huge too. I think I made a mistake, and I should have just gotten mediums, but look how wide it is. Maybe when my belly will fit, but it is really short. Do you see? So that's what I was kind of worried about with it being short. I didn't want it to be too tight and my belly pushing it out, making it even shorter. Okay, so this is the extra large little rainbow dress. And I am not mad that I sized up to extra large because it is still pretty short. It comes up to my knee right here, my thigh. So, not a bad idea. It's very loose, it's very stretchy. I do think it's short on me. See how it's right here and it kind of creeps up into my butt. I took a risk. It was very inexpensive though, so I think it's cute, just like not for me. Okay, so the next thing is a SheIn bikini. So I wanted to get some bathing suits because if you watch my last haul from Boohoo, I tried on a maternity swimsuit and it was too big. I went a size too far up, so I got a couple options in this one. This is a size large, US size large, $17. This is their marble print high-waisted bikini. So I wanted something that would kind of go high up to support my belly. So here's the top. It looks like a sports bra kind of. I like this little marble pattern. I think this is really cute. It looks kind of like gray with like black marbling. And then the pants or the bottoms are these. Oh, these look huge too. Girl. Is this going to be a theme? Do you see how wide this is? We'll see. Maybe. But it looks a little bit like high cut, high leg slits, but a little bit bigger waist. Okay, and this is the last swimsuit. This one's more like the sports bra top, but it is barely covering my boobs. Like, I got a little under boob popping out. So, that's not good. I feel like, yeah, it's not big enough. The bottoms are okay. They're not high-waisted though. They're like definitely mid-rise. So, I feel like if this top was longer, it would be better. But like, yeah, my little boobies right here. So I think I'll probably send this one back too. Okay, so the next thing I got is a dress. Again, it looks huge. Hopefully, it's really cute though. I think I don't know, it's not showing on my order, but I like the little cap sleeve. This might actually go off the shoulder on me because it looks pretty wide. I'm noticing that all these maternity clothes are running kind of big. Next thing up is maternity tropical knot front one-piece swimsuit in a large, and I got it for 18 bucks. I thought this was cute. I really went outside my comfort zone. I usually just get like black or black patterns, but I wanted something bright, and this one is orange. And I got good reviews. So it's got a little tie front and like the opening but in the belly, but connected to the bottom. So again, this looks kind of big. Maybe instead of getting larges, I should have gotten mediums. Okay, so this is the swimsuit one piece. I actually like this one. It's not too big like I thought. It fits me really, really secure. Like I would wear this in the beach without worrying about things falling out. Yeah. The only thing is these pads kind of make it look lumpy. And they are removable. But I need the pads to cover up my humongous nipples. I think I might keep this one. Yay. Okay, the next thing, this one is actually that three-piece maternity floral knit front bandeau bikini for size large, US 20. So it's a three-piece set, which I thought was really cute. I love anything sets. So first off, we have, these are the shorts, which look freaking huge again. I'm obviously not a large in this maternity site. Bandeau top looks pretty big too. I already know this is gonna be tricky because like bandeaus, you know, you don't want them to slip down. If they're big, you know they're gonna slip down. And here are the bottoms. Okay, these are actually teeny bottoms, so I'm glad it comes with shorts to kind of cover that up. Okay, so I have this bikini top on. It is a little bit big. Okay, so as you can see, it does fit, surprisingly. I was like, this is a little bit big. I feel like if I just maybe took in the sides. But it shows the whole belly, and it's like a low-rise bikini, but because the bottoms are big, I don't feel so self-conscious in it. So that's what my belly looks like. This is what it looks like in the bikini. So I have the matching short, which is nice because it adds some coverage. These look really big, but we'll see. I'm gonna go visit my mom in about a week, and hopefully she take some of these things in for me. So this is the shorts. They almost look like a skirt. So as you can see, it goes really high up, so, and it fits the belly. And it's kind of sheer, so this will be like really good for wet stuff. This, I could actually probably wear this more so like lying out, not really like trying to be in the waves or in the pool, because I don't want this to fall down. If I took it in a little, I think it would fit. Okay, this dress was on my order. It was on my email. So I got this in a large, which it says 8 to 10. So I thought like I was an 8/10, so that would have worked, but these run big. This blue dress is a maternity Ditsy floral shirred black frill trim ruffle hem dress for $20.52. Okay, so here's this dress. It is too big. Do you see how it's just falling off? But it's really cute. I would definitely get this in a smaller size. I think it's really flowy and it's got good length. It's not too short. I would definitely get this in another size. This is so comfy and easy. So FYI with this one, go with your regular size or go down a size. And then this one is the frill trim shirred Bordeaux top and belted pants set with mask. $27, got in a size large. Looks like I got everything in a size large pretty much. Okay, so my vacation is coming up in like 2 weeks, so I don't know if I'm gonna get this in time to return it, but we'll see. So this one is, like I said, a little bit more fun, a little bit more of a risk because it's a belly exposing outfit, which I wouldn't have a problem with before pregnancy, but I don't know. I guess it's like, you know, usually I don't want to have my bump out, but it's like, if you want to rock it, rock it. I don't really have a lot of stretch marks, so this is a top. I love a little off the shoulder crop. And it's really, really stretchy. Matching mask, which is okay. That's kind of weird. Why is it so big? Why is this mask so big? I don't know. That's weird. Okay. And then the bottoms are these wide leg matching bottoms with a belt. And I think you just kind of like have your belly showing on the top. So we'll see. If these pants don't look too big. I'm nervous that they'll be long because the pants tend to run long on me. I'm about 5'2½". So let's try this stuff on. Okay, so here's the orange outfit. It actually fits, surprisingly. My boobs are just contained. I should probably wear a bra with this, but oh well. So this part fits fine. I think it's cute, and it's actually not as scandalous as I thought because it's high-waisted. You can definitely tell, I think you can tell I'm pregnant. Move this tie to the side. It's really comfortable. The pants are not too tight. They're wide leg. They're not too long. And I would just wear this with sandals. I think this might be a keeper. This is such a cute little vacation outfit. You know what I mean? Like let the bump hang out. What do you guys think? Okay guys, so that's it for my SheIn maternity haul. It is about 1:40 a.m. using my pregnancy insomnia to film this video while my toddler is asleep wearing my nightgown already, about to take this makeup off. But yeah, the haul surprised me. The quality of clothes was actually way better than boohoo, I think. The sizing, I definitely went way too big on some pieces. Some pieces I could kind of make work, and some pieces were too small. So it really just goes to show you, you gotta try it on and have good free return shipping. So I am gonna send back a couple of those pieces and keep a few. Let me know which ones were your favorites, which ones you think I should definitely keep. And that is my last, I think, maternity clothing haul. I will probably have some other like baby related kind of postpartum haul stuff maybe later on. But give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Make sure to check out my other maternity hauls as well as my Amazon pregnancy favorites store. So until next time, I hope you guys have a great night. Ciao, Bellas.